Hi my YouTube family, this is Melody from Home Garden and Fashion. I thank you so much for being here today. Today we're going to have a wonderful time together. Hi everyone, today I'm going to do a review and all my reviews are fully unpaid, honest review. I do not take products from anyone or money from anyone to do reviews. I just buy things and I use it for a long time, and if I find it useful then I give a review. 100% honest review for whatever product I'm doing. So today's review is going to be on this mixed vegetable paratha. Now they come all different stuffing inside, and there are 4 inside like this, and each of them are separated. This bag is very nice, Ziploc bag, and you have to open it. Now okay, so they are separated with this kind of plastic. Now, so this is the package, and they come all different kinds. You can find mixed vegetable, you can find sweet potato, you can find cheese, you can find cauliflower, spinach. There are all kinds, and you have 4 of this. Now this is enough for your breakfast or lunch, one-time meal. This is more than sufficient, and you can find any kind of stuffing you like for this. Now when I got it, this was on sale, reduced, $149, but usually this is $249. Now let me tell you about the truth and the good things and the bad. Lay it all down. So the good thing is they're really cheap, and like you can find it on sale, and they last for a long time. You can bring it and put it in your freezer and keep it all sealed until you open it to make it. And once you open one, you just make them, you take out as many as you're going to make, don't take out all, and then put it back again, and they last long. For they keep it inside for maybe 6 months, and you can take it anyway, anywhere you're going, for picnic or Airbnb, wherever you're going. They don't have food. And I'm going to insert a clip how to heat it up. You can heat it up in the microwave too. Just take it out from the plastic and separate those other little plastics and put it inside a like roll up with paper towel and put it in a plate and just heat it up 1 or 2, I think 1 minute will be enough. I put it on the stove top and put in the lowest setting and put in a pan, and I do not add any oil or anything. I just put it like that and put a cover and keep it for 1 minute each side, and I just rotate it, and it's nice and warm. Do not try to make it too crispy or anything. And it's really good. It fills you up, it's cheap, and it's good food for when you don't have anything or going anywhere. I wouldn't suggest you eat that every day. The same for a college student is good, or if you're going somewhere is good, or if you came from somewhere and you just don't want to cook, so you can heat up 4 of these and you're done. So they have all kinds of stuffing inside, and for this price, this is really a good product, and I would really say that yes, a thumbs up. And any product I will do review, I want to use it for myself for a long time and then give you a proper review, not just use it one day or take money for it. I don't think that's a review if someone is sending somebody product or paying them, because then you're obligated to say the good things. Now if I have to say anything bad for this product, I would say that if when you make it, just eat it hot. Don't let it sit there but then it gets hard, and don't overcook it. Like don't leave it in a pan for 5 minutes, then it's gonna get really hard. So just cook little bit on each side, 1 minute, and then eat it. Yeah, so it lasts for a long time. It's a cheap price and it's really good, and it's sufficient for one person. So Yeah, there's nothing much bad to say about it. Just those two things bad, like you don't leave it out, it'll dry out, or you don't overcook it and it'll be like very dry out. So that's two downside. Beside that, it's really some product and good for eating for one person, 2 person, whatever, good for a breakfast or lunch or dinner, anything you want to make it. And they have all kinds of varieties, like all different stuffing inside. And stuffing inside is like a true vegetable, you know. It's not like fake veggies like you see in noodles or imitation veggies. This is not like that. It has peas, it has potatoes, and the sweet potato ones has sweet potato, the cheese one has cheese, and the spinach one has spinach, cauliflower one has cauliflower. So they all have real vegetable inside. So you have to heat it up like this. You put it in a pan with very, very low heat, the lowest heat setting, and just cover it and cook both the sides few minutes. And cover it, and don't need to put any oil or anything. So here's the little piece, how it looks inside, all full of green peas. So I'm just gonna enjoy a little bit. It's really, really soft, and inside is really nice. Like you can see, real potatoes, real peas. So yeah, I would give it a go. Hi, thank you so much for being here today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share this video. Thank you. May God bless you all.